Today I'll be unboxing the Mickey and Friends Play in the Park mystery pens. These were released in December of 2023 and are available in the parks and on Shop Disney for $19.99 per box, and there are 2 pens in each box. These are an open edition, so these could be around for quite some time. So the pen designs feature Mickey and Friends enjoying various Disney park activities or attractions. So this is an 8-pin collection, and the pin designs we can get are Mickey and Minnie walking, Donald and Goofy on the Haunted Mansion, Minnie and Mickey, Goofy and Donald on the Pirates of the Caribbean, Goofy as a tourist, Mickey and Minnie on the teacups, Daisy and Minnie with a bubble wand, Donald Duck with a popcorn cart, and Chip and Dale with a ticket. So let's open them up and see what we get. So I have 5 boxes here to open up, which is 10 pens total. The ones I want the most from this collection are the attraction pens, so I'm hoping to get the Haunted Mansion one, the Pirates of the Caribbean one, and the teacup one. The others are cool too, but those are the 3 I want the most. So let's dig into box 1 and see what we get. And see how big these are. And they feel decent size, kind of like normal. All right, let's see what we get. For pin 1, we have Minnie and Mickey walking and holding hands. So that is pretty cool. They're probably walking down Main Street or wherever, just somewhere in the parks, holding hands, having a good time. All right, let's see what we get for pin 2. It's different from the back. Ooh, I see like a handle. I think it's the teacups. It is the teacup! So we have Mickey and Minnie on the teacup, and it looks like it is going really fast, and Mickey is not liking that. That's how I am on the teacups. I don't go on the teacups. I would get very dizzy. All right, so that is the first 2. We did get 1 attraction pin so far, so hopefully we keep it up and get Haunted Mansion and Pirates. All right. Next box here, we have Donald Duck and the popcorn cart. So he is walking away from the popcorn cart and he has a bucket of popcorn. Nice. Really cool colors on these ones. They're kind of they have a kind of same color palette going on with them. Very nice. All right, this one, I'm looking at the back. Doesn't look familiar. And it is Chip and Dale with the ticket. Not sure what the ticket's for. Is it a park ticket? Or I guess it would be a park ticket because you don't get tickets for each ride. All right, so we have 4 out of the 8. Hey, we got halfway on the second box. Gotta love that. All right, box 3 here. We have, yes, we have the Haunted Mansion one. So we have Goofy and Donald Duck on the Haunted Mansion, and then they have their hitchhiking ghost in there, and that is, which one is that? The artwork's kind of different. Is that Gus? Not sure. Awesome. So we got 2 of the attraction ones. Now we just need the Pirates of the Caribbean. Come on, Pirates! And we have Goofy as a tourist. So Goofy's on here, and he has, looks like he's been doing some shopping. Looks like he has some popcorn and maybe some other little food items there too. Nice. All right, on to box 4. We have 6 out of the 8. Gotta love that. All right, can we get the last 2? Well, I can tell in the back that this is a duplicate. It is another teacup. Got another one of those. So if this is what, Mickey and Minnie holding hands, that means it's a duplicate box. Ooh, it looks like it is. Yes, it is. It's Mickey and Minnie walking and holding hands. So that's a duplicate box from the first one. All right, last box. We're missing 2 pins. 2 pins to go. Can we do it? It always feels so good. You know, you're going around there and you got 2 boxes to go in it. You have 4 pins left, only 2 pins you need, and feel like good odds, but no. We have another popcorn cart. So We have Donald with popcorn cart. So hopefully this is not Chip and Dale. It looks like it is. No, it's not. It's Minnie and Daisy with the bubble wand. Awesome. So we've got another one. We have 7 out of the 8. I like that. So the only one we're missing is Pirates of the Caribbean, which is probably the one I wanted the most out of all of them. But hey, if I only have to find one pen, that's awesome. Those were the Mickey and Friends Play in the Park mystery pens. Which one was your favorite out of these 7? My favorite is the Haunted Mansion one. I really like park attraction pens, so that one is super cool. But it was followed very closely by the Mickey and Minnie walking and holding hands, because it looks like Mickey is wearing a pin lanyard. So Mickey is pin trading in the park, so I love that one. So this was a great unboxing for me, a good start to 2024, getting 7 out of the 8. So I am only missing one pen, and that is the Pirates of the Caribbean one. And I do have one more box to open up, which I'll do a short video on, so maybe it'll be in that box. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.